Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women crochet poncho designs, capsule designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet poncho designs. Highly running ideas, highly running patterns you can see in this my video. Those ladies who love such type of crochet poncho design, stylish capsules. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet poncho designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy women crochet poncho design stylish capsules? Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet poncho designs if you know crochet work. Needed patterns, easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crochet poncho design stylish capsules. You can wear these very beautiful capsules in the birthday party, wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. See beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, beautiful light colors, stylish dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.